Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to get a refund in Alipay Tourpass. This is really easy to follow. The first step we need to do is open on Alipay app and then find this option called Tourpass. Okay, once we click Tourpass, right here we're gonna see this message right here, or this text saying that your Tourpass is expired. Okay, you need to click this button right here called details to see what you can do about this. Okay, and then here you can see this uh, button called view solutions. You need to click this button right here, and then with this screen will appear, and here you can click reactivate or refund. Okay, if you want a refund, you need to click this, and then right here this screen will appear, and here you can see the refund channel section, and here you can make your refund easily. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.